Disable LAN if wired/cable network is available. The question says it all. All I want is that my WLAN connection should be disabled whenever a wired connection is available. What would be the easiest way to do that in Ubuntu/GNOME? In all guides, for instance some about GuestNet, I found I had to configure my whole network configuration, WPA keys, DHCP, but I find that a bit too complicated for such a simple use case. I just want to disable LAN 0 when F0 is connected.
Just a guess, but I assume if plugged could help. You could make it shut down Wi-Fi when cable is used. Create two simple scripts. The name of the script is not important, I simply use WLan, and I assume there is only one cabled network interface, and is thus called a F0. Check this with ifconfig if you're not sure. Note that this disabled wireless entirely, not just WLan 0. Only an issue if you have multiple WLan interfaces and only want to disable specific ones. These scripts could easily be adapted, by Boolean logic, to a situation in which you have two or more cabled network interfaces. Make sure these scripts are executable with a command +X. This disables wireless in the network manager that can usually be found as an system indicator in the GNOME panel. You could also use ifconfig WLan 0 down or ifconfig WLan 0 up instead of the DBUS send line, but this should be more user-friendly and interfere less with Ubuntu system utilities. Tested with Ubuntu Desktop 10.10, and should work with earlier versions or other distributions using Network Manager and DBUS.
You can drop this script at etc. to Network Manager dispatcher.det99 WLan. Don't forget afterwards. This catches the legacy eth* names and the new kernel predictable named interfaces that start with EN and then use either the bus path or the MAC address so that the name of each interface is the same on every boot. This worked with the USB-C, pass-through, and USB Ethernet adapter I tried with, and I'm confident it will work with built-in adapters as well.
Quite simply for the GNOME GUI approach. Right-click on the network system indicator in the GNOME panel up by your clock. The indicator will be one of two icons, either the up/down arrows, LAN, or the traditional Wi-Fi funnel. Note that the up/down icon will appear when both LAN and Wi-Fi or only LAN are connected, and the Wi-Fi funnel appears when connected via Wi-Fi only. LAN disconnected, LAN trumps Wi-Fi automatically, *. Select Edit Connections. Select the Wireless tab, double-click the first connection in your list and uncheck the Connect Automatically box. Click the Apply button. Repeat for each connection in the list. This will leave the wireless network operational for on-the-fly manual connections and disconnections available by left-clicking the network icon, without the NM trying to automatically connect you all the time. Naturally, you could also disable/enable wireless by right-clicking the network icon and then left-clicking on the Enable Wireless selection, effectively bringing down or up the wireless interface as indicated by the presence or absence of the check mark. LAN trumps Wi-Fi automatically. There is no need to disable Wi-Fi. Simply unplugging your Ethernet cable will seamlessly transfer the connection to Wi-Fi, and you can pick up and move about without any fuss. Likewise, with reconnecting the LAN. While LAN does trump Wi-Fi, the NM, Network Manager, will find what you seek should you be on different networks simultaneously and are working both online, Wi-Fi, and with a local host, LAN, or V/V for example.